In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Microsoft Teams. Whether you've had a recent name change or just want to update your display name to something more professional or personal, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's a straightforward task, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to navigate Microsoft Teams with your new name displayed. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings related to your account. Now, from the options available, you need to open your profile settings. Sometimes you might see an option that says Manage your account. Either of these selections will lead you to the right place. The goal here is to find where your display name information is stored. Once you're in the account management area, look for the section that shows your current display name. Adjacent to your name, you should see an Edit option. Click on Edit, and this will allow you to enter the new name that you wish to use in Microsoft Teams. At this point, it's time to think about what you want your new name to be. Make sure that it's something you'll be comfortable with, as this will be visible in all your team's activities, meetings, chats, and channels. Once you've decided on the perfect name, type it into the provided field. After you've entered your new name, it's crucial to save the changes you've made. Look for the Save option, which is usually at the bottom of the form or window you're working in. Click it, and with that, your new name will be set. Congratulations! Your updated name will now appear wherever you're active in Microsoft Teams, including all your meetings, chats, and channels. This change is effective immediately, so you can enjoy your new identity across the platform right away. And that's how you change your name in Microsoft Teams. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how you present yourself professionally or personally. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.